Okay, so this video is just a visual to reference the differences that naturally occur in nature. As you can see, older pine cones become more brittle, dry out, but look at that grandpa. Huge! This little guy didn't make it that far, nor did he. There's one, average sized. Young ones, still green, but they fell from the tree early. These are euphemisms to human nature. We are all different shapes and sizes and covered with bugs. Just kidding. I couldn't resist. And we're each unique. And we couldn't be that way without having a comparison to something different. What if every single being was the exact carbon copy, clone, cookie cutter of everybody else? How boring of an existence. I love differences that make individuals unique. I really do. And that's the only two absolutes in nature. That energy is constant and changing. That's the only two things you can ever count on.